Have you ever been in a situation where you were so close to your goal, yet it felt impossible to reach? Maybe you wanted to just give up and walk away. We have all been there. But today, I want to tell you a story about a survivor who faced a life or death situation all alone. He didn't have any help, just his brain and a lot of patience. Let's see how he turned a hopeless situation into a victory. Imagine a day so hot that the air feels heavy. The sun is beating down like a hammer and the earth is cracked and dry. In this scorching heat, a crow was flying, desperately looking for water. He wasn't just thirsty, he was fighting for his life. His throat was parched, his wings felt heavy, and his energy was fading fast. He flew over villages and fields, but every well was dry and every pond was empty. Just when he was about to collapse from exhaustion, he saw something under a tree. It was a clay pitcher. Hope rushed back into his heart. He gathered his last bit of strength, flew down, and landed on the rim of the pot. He looked inside. Yes, there was water. But his happiness turned into despair in a second. The water level was very low, right at the bottom. He tried to push his head in, but the neck was too narrow. He tried to tilt the pot, but it was too heavy. The water was right there staring at him, but he couldn't drink a single drop. It was a cruel joke. He sat there, panting, feeling defeated. But he didn't panic. Instead, he looked around. He saw some small pebbles scattered on the ground. A brilliant idea sparked in his mind. He realized that if he put the stones in, the water would have to rise. He started his mission. He picked up a pebble, flew up, and dropped it. Plop! Then another one, and another. It wasn't magic, it was hard work. Under the hot sun, he kept flying back and forth, one stone at a time. Slowly, the water level began to rise. The pile of stones grew higher, pushing the cool liquid up. He didn't stop until the water reached the very top. Finally, he dipped his beak into the water and took a long, refreshing drink. That cool water washed away all his pain. He had saved his own life, not by luck, but by staying calm and using his brain. So, whenever you feel stuck, remember the crow. Look around. The solution might be right at your feet. If you enjoyed this story, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, Guiding Glow Bangla Tales, for more amazing stories. Thanks for watching.